So the Prime Minister set a vision of India becoming a Viksit Bharat by 2047. This is a very ambitious task. India's GDP has to grow 8x, its per capita income has to grow 9x, its manufacturing has to grow 16x. And without private sector growing rapidly, India will not be able to grow. And this would require that government acts as a facilitator, a catalyst. Our ability to do this requires us to have very good program design, to have very good outcome monitoring, and to be able to make a difference to the lives of Indian citizens. Convergence Foundation works in partnership with a number of other organizations which contribute towards this growth and development of India.